Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to place for expert product reviews with a beauty and lifestyle focus. Today, we're diving into the world of oral hygiene with a closer look at the Water Dental Flosser Brush for cleaning for home travel, a portable, rechargeable oral irrigator designed to make flossing easier, more effective, and travel-friendly. But does it actually deliver on all its promises? Let's find out. This water flosser boasts a 360-degree rotatable nozzle, ensuring it reaches every nook and cranny in your mouth, a 300-milliliter water tank for uninterrupted use, and 4 cleaning modes tailored to different needs. It's also Type-C rechargeable, whisper quiet, and IPX7 waterproof, making it ideal for both home and travel. Sounds great on paper, but how does it perform in real life? Setting up the device was simple. Just fill the tank, select your preferred mode, and you're good to go. The 360-degree nozzle rotation worked well in reaching tight spots, especially for those with braces or dental work. The 4 modes, ranging from a gentle rinse to a powerful jet, allowed for a customized experience, though the highest setting might feel intense for those with sensitive gums. The 300-milliliter water tank lasted through a full flossing session without needing a refill, a convenient touch compared to smaller models that require multiple refills. Charging was a breeze with the Type-C port, and the quiet operation made it pleasant to use, even at night. Pros: effective deep cleaning with the rotating nozzle, multiple pressure settings for different needs, large water tank minimizes refills, fast charging and portable for travel convenience, IPX7 waterproofing allows safe use in the shower. Cons: high pressure mode may be too strong for sensitive gums, bulkier than ultra-compact travel flossers, no storage case included for easy transport. Is this review helping you so far? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more oral care enthusiasts can find this video. When comparing this model to similar water flossers, it stands out for its larger water tank and customizable modes, offering more flexibility than budget-friendly single-setting models. However, if you prefer something more compact for frequent travel, you might want to consider smaller options with collapsible designs. Build-wise, it feels sturdy and well-made, with no leaks or flimsy parts. While long-term durability can only be tested over time, the solid construction and waterproofing suggest it should hold up well with regular use. As for customer support, while there was no need for direct interaction, the brand has an average reputation for reliability, with most users reporting positive experiences. Final verdict: the Water Dental Flosser Brush delivers on its promises, offering a thorough, customizable clean that's easy to use at home or on the go. It's particularly useful for those with braces, implants, or deep-set teeth that traditional flossing struggles to reach. If you need a portable yet powerful flosser with a decent water capacity and reliable pressure settings, this is a solid pick. However, if you have sensitive gums or want an ultra-compact design for frequent travel, you may want to explore smaller alternatives. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to get this flosser is in the comments box, so check it out if you're interested. Have you used a water flosser before? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep your smile bright and your reviews right, only here on Beautyistic.